Welcome to the Rise Above Performance Training Quick Tip of the Week. We're on week 2 of our pull-up progressions, and today we're going to talk about grip. So when we grip the bar, I like to have my thumb around, not wrapped over the top like a false grip, because I want a good purchase on the bar and I want to be able to use my thumb to enhance the muscle activation. Along with that, I want to think about focusing on my pinkies as well. So I create this vise with my hands, and like I said, it activates all the muscles of the grip, but also down the chain with our back and shoulders. So I'm going to get my pull-up grip, wrap my thumb around, shoulders down, chest up, lock everything down with my pinkies too, squeeze and pull up. So once you get that down, apply that principle to other grips as well. Let's do a chin-up grip where I'm going to go underhand, shoulders down, chest up, squeeze and down. And you can do this with any kind of grip. So focus on the grip, not only with the tension, but also mixing it up.